Good morning, students. Chapter 4, Subject Verb Agreement. And today we are going to start worksheet 9, that is on page number 61. A tag question or question tag is used at the end of a sentence to ask for confirmation about something. So, question tag mainly we are using when we are speaking and when we need confirmation, whatever we said, that is right or wrong. Okay. It is formed by using a helping verb with a personal pronoun. ये किस तरह से बनता है? जैसे using a helping verb. ठीक है? तो first sentence is here. Ranjana knows us well. It's a simple present tense. Another thing is when the main clause यानी कि जो main sentence अगर positive है, then question tag will be in negative. ये देखिए यहाँ पे doesn't. तो रंजना knows us well, doesn't she? ठीक है. सात्विक and Rama do their classwork. सात्विक and Rama do their classwork. तो ये क्या हो गया? We are talking about two people. वो they बन गया और do की फॉर्म they के साथ do ही रहती है and don't they. Why? Because this was in positive. ठीक है. I know him too well. ये तो वर्ब की फॉर्म से लग रहा है कि दिस इज़ द पास्ट टेंस. आई न्यू हिम टू वेल डिडंट आई. तो क्योंकि डू की फॉर्म पास्ट में डिड हो जाएगी और आई के साथ जब डिड लगेगा तो डिडंट आई. आई विल पास द एग्जामिनेशन. दिस वन इज इन फ्यूचर टेंस. आई विल पास द एग्जामिनेशन. वोंट आई. तो विल का क्या हो गया? वोंट आई. द नेक्स्ट वन इज इट्स रेनिंग. It's raining, isn't it? This is very common. Generally we are using. Others are also we are using these tags, but this one is very common. We are better than our forefathers. We are better than our forefathers, aren't we? अब आप इस ढंग से इसे चेंज करेंगे. The next one is she was not copying answer. अभी मैंने कहा था यहाँ कि इफ़ द सेंटेंस और मेन क्लॉज इज़ पॉजिटिव, क्वेश्चन टैग विल बी नेगेटिव. बट हियर वन मेन क्लॉज इज़ नेगेटिव, तो क्वेश्चन टैग क्या हुआ? पॉजिटिव. ओके. शी वॉज नॉट कॉपिंग आंसर. वॉज शी? सो दिस वॉज द प्रैक्टिस फॉर द क्वेश्चन टैग्स. एंड इन worksheet 10 you have to do it yourself with the correct question tag according to the main clause. जैसा main clause अगर अब यहाँ देखिए कि this was in positive, तो इसमें negative को fill किया गया है. The second one is प्रतीक does not like to miss his school. तो यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा? Does he? And rest of the sentence also you have to do it. So anyway I will read again. Yamini was not angry with you. Was she? ठीक है. You enjoy watching films. अब you के साथ तो verb जो do की फॉर्म है वो do ही रहती है. तो don't you? The trucks have not crossed the river. Again here main clause is negative. Have they? You are not enjoying this, are you? He is going abroad, isn't he? So they are preparing a project, aren't they? aren't को आप इस ढंग से भी लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है. जैसे यहाँ shall not नहीं लिखा जाता, shan't लिखते हैं. We were not happy with his work. Were we? So these are the points. If the sentence is affirmative sentence is followed by a negative, what I said just now, if the main sentence are positive you have to use negative question tag, or if the main sentence is negative you have to use the positive question tag. Okay. So this one is you have to do it yourself, and In the given sentences, both the subjects and the verb are in singular form. Change them to the plural form. Make other changes in the sentences wherever required. The first one has been done for you. Means if the subject is singular, you have to convert in plural, or if you can see any other errors in the sentences, you have to change it. Okay, the next one is here. A fish breathes through gills. ठीक है, तो fish won't change, तो fish ही रहेगी. Breathe through gills. This boy goes to the library every week. This boy. अब यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा एरर्स हैं इस सेंटेंस में, आपको थोड़ा चेंज करना. यहाँ पे आएगा these boys. अब boys यहाँ आ गया. These boys go to the library every week. You know, so many worksheet you have done regarding subject and verb. So this one you have to do it yourself, okay? Because then it's a practice. The maid clean the floor. Take a look and then you have to do it yourself, all these sentences. And next, number 2 is here. This is the Sudha is talking to her friend Kaumudi on the telephone. This is a conversation between Sudha and Kaumudi regarding she is upset with her teenage son Vaibhav. So she is upset with her son, okay, and he is teenage. तो teenagers की क्या होती है जो भी इसमें आपको conversation में पता लगेगा. Problems, why she is upset, okay. But when you are reading or when you will see, so this space you have to fill this correct verb, okay. आप टिक करें या फिर आप इसे फिल करें. वैसे आप फिल करें तो बेटर होगा. Then you will understand according to the sentences, okay. This is a simple conversation. अब ये आपको था कि आप खुद करें, तो आई थिंक इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ अ प्रैक्टिस. ये आप जैसे मैंने टिक मार्क किया हुआ है, आप एक बार देख लें और एक बार आप खुद भी पढ़ें इससे, और फिर जो ब्लैंक स्पेस है आप इसे फिल कर दें. ठीक है, रीड केयरफुली what is the conversation and all, which is the suitable verb according to the subject in this conversation. The next one is read the poem given below. Acha, this is the poem Living in a Paradise. Again in this poem they have mentioned errors and you have to correct that errors. So here is a space you have to correct with the appropriate verb, okay. So this one also you have to do it yourself. There's the first one they have done already here. There are a place across the ocean. There is a place across the ocean where there is sand for miles and miles. There people play music and everybody, यानी कि बहुतों की बात करें, smiles. तो आपको ये खुद ही करना है. आप एक बार यहाँ खुद देख लें इसे कि आपको किस ढंग से ये verbs यूज़ करने हैं. Got it? So this chapter is done. In the next video we will start chapter 5. So that's all for today. Thank you.